yesterday, and it was about 4 hours seeing them, but they were getting spooked probably by the decoys. And there's the other gobble. My brother's set up to my right, probably about a good 30 yards. I end up connecting with my Tom about 10-15 minutes ago. He's right there. Good old Remington V3 Field Sporter with the Bushnell Micro 3-inch Federal 3rd degree at 40 yards. Hopefully my brother can connect on that gobbler there. I wanted to go in with him and do the calling, sit behind him, do the calling. But I've got a torn meniscus at my left knee. I finished tearing. So he's like, nope, just stay here in the chair. He goes, I'm going to cut back in on the trail. So hopefully, this guy comes into the calling. One thing I've noticed about these Adirondack thunder chicken is they're a lot different than our southern deer. These guys do not like to come out into the fields, into the opening. They will stick into the timber, they'll stick in the hemlocks, and if you do happen to see them come out, like even on the trail cameras, they will stick to the edge of the wood line. They do not like being exposed out in the open. And this is going on the 4th year that we've had the property. And in those 4 years, every turkey season, I have ended up with tag turkey. So me personally, and with my brother, we talk about it. It's like, what can we do different? What went wrong? Why did they not commit to coming in? And the only thing that we could figure is that we were still hunting these turkey like southern deer turkey. And that's a big no-no apparently. So we said, the hell with it, let's get aggressive. We'll get out into the woods. We won't take any decoys, we'll just do calling. And it worked out. So, because you gotta understand, everybody, whoever watches this is probably gonna be like, northern deer, southern deer, so there's 2 regions in our state, and the season dates are different. Well, even the geography, the layout of the land is different. And even though it's the same species of bird, doesn't mean they're gonna act the same way, and you can hunt them the same way. So I mean, it goes into play of, okay, you look at elk, you look at moose, you look at deer, they're all kind of, they are the same species of animal. They're not whitetail, but I mean, whatever. I sound like Joe Biden on a ramble. You get what I'm saying, is hopefully, as far as for that goes, I can't really explain it. And I make myself sound stupider now, but anyway, I'm not deleting this video because we got the gobbles. The type of meat, whatever, but it's a different game animal, even though they are somewhat the same. So I mean, why would we hunt northern turkey the same as we hunt southern deer turkey? It just didn't make any sense. Hopefully, I don't sound too flippin' retarded on explaining that, but oh well. It is a gorgeous morning though. I thought we were done this morning on my Tom. He kept coming in, he was getting hung up a little bit. Totally forgot. Had a nice bushy-tailed fox, red fox, come in. another, since we're about 40 yards apart, see if I can do some more calling, get that Tom to straight back up and start gobbling again. Any luck, we will have another video. My brother gets his. We can double down today. If not, I'm gonna do another video. Show you the beard and the spurs. Good sized turkey. Not gonna lie, the one I've got hanging on the wall has got bigger spurs, but just as hard as we had to hunt to get on this guy, I don't care. He's an awesome bird. But we'll catch you guys here